Here we go, here we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Recipe of the Day. We are going to be doing a couple fun things today. It's 4th of July this weekend coming up, and we are going to be making my favorite red, white, and blue potato salad, and we are also going to be making low carb potato salad. So you're going to see my little trick for low carb potato salad, but we're going to be making two today. I guess you'd call that full carb and low carb on the potato salads today. So let's get started here. Turn off my music. I know you guys all love my music. I know you do. I get lots of comments about it. So how is everyone doing today? Let me get you up here. Turn off my music. I know you guys all love. Oh, there we are. Let me get my sound down here. Got my technician working away here. So let me see if I get the comments going here so I can see who's here. Okay, hey Valerie, how are you? So I'm going to get started with the low carb potato salad today. So the first thing I'm going to make for that is the dressing. So I'm going to get started on my dressing here. And I have my recipe kind of too far away from me here. So I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons here of sour cream. And I'm not going to measure these very exact because it is a potato salad after all. So I'm going to go 2 potato salads. Hold on just a second, there's water in my bowl. So hold on a second. I don't know what. Oh, I think I washed my cauliflower in the bowl. There we go. 2 tablespoons of sour cream in the bowl. And then I'm going to go 2 tablespoons of horseradish, my favorite. Now they didn't have, my very favorite is the atomic horseradish that I love. It comes in the refrigerator section, but they didn't have it in the store I was just in. So I'm just using this brand. It's not creamed, it's just straight up horseradish. When I read this recipe, I was so excited because, you know, I love horseradish. Love, love, love it. So anything with that makes me happy. 2 tablespoons here of mayo. Of course, Best Foods. I'm a Best Foods girl, so 2 tablespoons of mayo. And then we are going to do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Hey Susan, how are you? We're making 2 potato salads today, 1 full carb, 1 low carb. So here's a tablespoon. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You can use what you have, and if you don't have it, vinegar, you can always use pickle juice. Pickle juice is the secret to my coleslaw, but you can always use that whenever it calls for that. So I'm going to give this a little whisk here. So this is just the mayo and the sour cream, the horseradish, and the vinegar. So I will get that whipped up here. And then I'm going to add salt and pepper. Hey Deborah, how are you? Oh, there's my child. My son just got home. Hi child, come say hi. Come over and say hi to our people. Take your backpack off if you want. Here's my son just walked in while we're live. Say hi.
Hello.
There's Rex. We're making potato salad. Would you like to help me? No?
No.
I'm going to put a little bit of seasoned salt in there and seasoned pepper. You guys know I love these Lowry ones. So there's my child just did a drive-by. Hey Deborah, how are you, girl? How is Houston today? Okay, so that's sour cream, horseradish, mayo. I'm going to put some chives in here, and I am going to kind of just eyeball these. So I'm going to put maybe a 1/3 of a cup of chives to start here, because the head, and I'm going to put in also about 2 stalks of celery that is, I have all chopped here, ready to go, and stir that in. Can you believe, hey Deborah, you see how tall Rex was? I'm thinking Texas and Rex are the same thing. I know, he's taller than me since the last time you saw him for sure. Okay, so in our low carb potato salad here is going a head of cooked cauliflower here that I have cooked already. And I just put it on this tray on a clean dish towel to let it cool, so it would cool off quickly. So I just did this right before you guys got here. So in goes 1 head of cauliflower that I just made into florets. And yum, get all that in our bowl here. And then we will give that a stir. And this is going to be our low carb potato salad. Oh my gosh, this looks yummy. Get it all mixed around here. Because I mean, now if you don't love horseradish like I do, another way I thought this would be delicious is if you made some homemade ranch. So use the fresh herbs, chopped your own fresh herbs and some garlic and sour cream and mayo, and just did this same salad with some fresh herbs instead of the horseradish. But can't ever have enough horseradish in my world, so I thought this sounded delicious. So I can tell just by eyeballing this that it does not have enough pepper for my world, so I'm going to add some here. Hey Florence, how are you? And Barbara, how are you? Girls, we're making low carb and full carb potato salads today for your 4th of July barbecues. So this one is the cauliflower, celery, green onion, mayo, sour cream, I said already, horseradish, and ready to go here. So now I would put this in the fridge for a little bit to let the flavors all get to know each other. But I want to taste it because this one smells yummy. So hold on a second, let me taste this. Oh, delicious and simple. And for everyone who's watching their carbs, you know, you feel like you're having potato salad, but you have this yummy cauliflower salad and it is delicious. It actually doesn't really taste like horseradish to me. It just kind of has a little bit of a kick. But man, it is yummy. So now, that is our first one. Well, if you don't love cauliflower, but if you're low carb, then you love cauliflower, right? Hey, Han, how are you? So now we're going to get going on the red, white, and blue potato salad. The inspiration for this recipe came from Jensen's Market out in Palm Springs. I was in there and they have the most beautiful deli case and they have all kinds of yummy things, but this one won my heart years ago. So I'm going to make my version of the Jensen's Market red, white, and blue potato salad. So I'm going to start with about a half a cup of mayo, and I'm just going to eyeball this. Of course, Head, I don't know if it has enough mayo for you. Head, my salad dressing girl. Rinse off my horseradish spoon there since I don't want to mix my salads here, and about a half a cup here of sour cream. And then I'm going to put a little squirt of Dijon mustard, probably about a tablespoon or so in there. See who else is there. Hi guys. Hi Instagrammers. And let me get this mixed up here. Oh, again, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Again, you can use pickle juice if that's what you've got. Most people have a jar of pickles in their fridge, but they might not have actual vinegar, so you can always use that. There's vinegar in your pickle juice. So I'm going to get that stirred up. And I want to make sure I get everything in here. So, oh, I know, my sister's in Cabo, I see that, but I am not. I am here making potato salad for you guys. But my sister is in Cabo. I hope they let her back. Okay, make sure I got everything in this one. Okay, I do. So again, we're going to go with the green onions in my regular red, white, and blue potato salad. And I have a few more here, so I wasn't sure how many I was going to want to use here. And then I have, again, about 3 stalks of celery chopped going in. Now the debate on potato salad is, do you eggs or no eggs? So are you an eggs or a no eggs person? Today I'm not putting eggs in, but if you like them, go ahead and put them in. Especially now, COVID cooking, you put in what you like. I'm using a little bit of Lowry's seasoned salt, a little bit of Lowry's seasoned pepper, just because I like it and I'm making it. So we're done with the horseradish here. I'll move this to get our recipes confused here. And I'm going to put some more pepper in here. Oh yeah, Teresa says eggs. Yes on the eggs. Well, you can throw them in. I know, I like eggs too. I love hard-boiled eggs, but today I didn't add them. So, plenty of pepper, because potatoes, you know, they don't have any taste, so we got to, whoops, get the taste going in here. Okay, so there we go on our dressing. Now I'm going to take my potatoes that I already cooked, and I have white and I have red in here, the little ones. I bought the bag. They had a really cute bag, I'll show you guys here, of these organic potatoes at Costco. Isn't this cute? You guys see? And it just said Classic Baby Creamers Bite-Size Organic Potatoes. And I'm like, well, those are totally cute, and they're red and white. So we are good to go for our 4th of July potato salad there with the red and the white. I know, Deborah, I thought my sister might get on here, but her Wi-Fi has been sometimes good, sometimes not. But she is not on here right now today. So now potato salad, you can always make it like coleslaw a day ahead and let it, you know, sit in the fridge overnight because all the flavors just like to get to know each other. But I'm going to pull, and then this is my red and my white. I'm going to show you guys because it's so pretty. Red and white potato salad there with the celery. And to make it blue, we are going to add some blue cheese to this. But because I have some people that are going to eat this that are not blue cheese lovers, I'm actually going to pull a little bit of this out right now so that they can have some without the blue cheese. And when I make this for a party too, I would make it, and again, put blue cheese in some of it and blue cheese not in some of it for people that don't like blue cheese. But then what I find is everybody eats the one with the blue cheese because it's so awesome and yummy. So that's what I find when I do anything special for people that I know what they like and don't like, and then they end up eating the real stuff anyway. So I'm just going to pull a little bit out there. And then I'm going to put, about a 1/4 cup or so, maybe a half, maybe a 1/3 of blue cheese in there, just eyeballing it, and mix that in there. So that's what makes our red, white, and blue potato salad blue, is our blue cheese. I'm going to have a couple more yummy things to throw in here, and that would be bacon. Yummy. I have 6 slices of bacon here, cooked nice and crispy. And then, I know my audience around here, I have 1 jalapeno that is diced fine. I'm putting that in, mostly because we just like things spicy around here. So that's going in. Hey Kelly, how are you? Welcome, girl. How are things with you? We need to get caught up, Kelly. So that is what we've got going on here. Our red, white, and blue potato salad, along with our low carb potato salad, quote unquote potato, cauliflower salad. And we have 2 options there. I mean, how quick and easy were those? Again, I can just tell by looking at this that there's not enough pepper in that for me, so I'm going to give it another hit of pepper here. And I didn't put a lot of salt, so I probably need to put a hit of salt on this too, because potatoes will suck up a lot of spice. Hey Janet, how are you? Thanks for watching. We've got our 2 potato salads going today. We got low carb and full carb, because it is a holiday after all. What's everyone going to do for the 4th this year, since all our normal, whatever normal used to be, is not this year. New traditions this year. 4th of July was my mom's birthday, so it was always a big party at our house for my mom, because she was a firecracker for sure. Those of you that know my mom, she was. So there we go. There is our 2 yummy salads for today. Red, white, and blue potato salad with bacon and jalapeno and blue cheese. And then our other low carb cauliflower salad with the horseradish and celery. Delicious. So 2 yummy, yummy salads for your 4th of July barbecue. So hope you guys are doing something fun, getting the ribs on the smoker or the burgers on the grill, and getting together with your friends and family, I guess small gatherings, and enjoying each other. And if not, have a Zoom barbecue and still get to have the interaction with your people. So we have a very, very special birthday shout out today. I haven't seen her if she's on here yet today, but I need my birthday shout out hat here. Assistant director. Oh, hold on, over here. Okay, whoops. You can see real estate's back in action. Phone is ringing. So birthday shout out today, special birthday shout out to #1 fan, Erica Lopez. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. What are you doing today, girl? I don't know if you're at work or not, but happy birthday to you. You're the best. And we love you so much, and thank you for all you do for everyone. You just do so much for everyone that people don't even know. But we love you, and we know that 2020 to 2021 is going to be your best year yet. So happy birthday to you, my special friend Erica Lopez. Happy birthday. So we are going to be enjoying this weekend. I hope you guys are too. And it is July 1st, if you can believe it. I can't. But if you want to talk about real estate, we're around all weekend. We love to talk about it. Things are busy here. We need inventories, what we need here in Ventura County. So if you know anyone thinking about selling, we need them. Visit us at GaryandLisa.com, and remember there's only 2 things you can control, your effort and your attitude. So always pick a good one and always do your best. And we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for watching, and here's your 2 great salad ideas for the weekend. And we will talk to you soon.